If you want to use memory card on the Samsung Galaxy A27, then in that case we can take a look at the left side of the phone, and then over here you should be able to find the SIM tray. There is also the SIM tray hole, which means that we need to use eject tool, which you should be able to find yours inside the box of a Galaxy A27, for example, and you want to put it into this SIM tray hole over here. Just put it in just like that, and then once it is in, you can push with a little bit of pressure to pop out the SIM tray. And once the SIM tray pops out, you can use your fingernails and fingers in order to remove the SIM tray from the phone. In fact, you don't actually have to fully remove the SIM tray from the phone. For example, if you don't want to risk losing the SIM card by accident because it's very loose actually, then you can just partially remove the SIM tray from the phone just like that while the SIM is still in, and then you can just simply insert the microSD card slot. Sorry, the microSD card into the microSD card slot. This is actually hybrid slot, which means that you can decide if you want to use microSD card or if you want to use second SIM. I think I'm gonna actually remove it just to make it easier for myself. So if it's difficult to put it in, just remove the SIM tray. I'm gonna also remove the SIM card because the slot is very loose, so it's very difficult to actually put it in without losing the SIM. And you want to make sure that the microSD card is fully in. For example, right now it slightly sticks out, so you just want to make sure that it is actually fully in. It should not stick out. So yeah, make sure to do that. Then we're gonna insert the SIM as well. And now you can just put it back into the phone. Just put it straight in. There we go, push it in with your finger and make sure that it goes all the way in. It should not stick out. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.